Have you ever felt totally lost when picking stocks? You are not alone. What if I told you that there is simple, repeatable method I use every time so I don't just buy stocks by guesswork? I research them like a pro. So today I will walk you through my 3-step method for researching a stock before I invest. Whether you are just getting started or want to tighten your process, this works. So let's dive in. So welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, where we teach you that money has a mindset. If you are meeting me for the first time, I am Qualitative, a certified financial advisor with over 7 years of experience helping people build financial freedom. To make sure you get every single strategy, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. You don't want to miss out on what we are sharing next. Today, I want to share with you 3-step method I use to research a stock before I invest in it. Step 1, you need to understand the business. So first, I don't start with charts or headlines. I start by asking, what does this business actually do? How does it make money? Is the product or service something people need or will need? According to the regulator, FINRA, one key question is, how does the company make money? So I visit the company website, read their about us, check recent annual reports, or investor summary. So I ask, is their business model clear to me? Are they in a growing industry, or is the industry fading? If I can't explain what the company does in one sentence, I move on. Step 2, check the key numbers. Once I like the business, I dig into the financials, not every number, but the key metrics. I look at revenue growth, net income, earnings per share, and valuation ratios like price to earning. I also check debt levels, cash flow consistency, and compare with peers. So is this company stronger or weaker than competitors in its industry? This quantitative check tells me if I'm looking at a solid business or a risky one. So for example, if revenue is stagnating but market hype is high, I will be cautious. Step 3, qualitative and risk check. Finally, I look at the non-numbers, the qualitative factors and risk. Who is the management? What is their track record? Is there a competitive advantage? Are there threats, regulatory issues, strong competitors, incoming changing, consumer taste? So I also check how the company is positioned for the future. New markets, new products, or disruptive risk. If I see major red flags like huge debt, unclear business plan, untested leadership, I will either discard the idea or reduce the size of my investment. So when I combine all 3 steps, business understanding, financial checks, quantitative and risk filter, I create a short investment thesis. This company is in this business, doing these numbers, has this strength and this risk. And here is why I believe it will grow. If the thesis doesn't make sense, I skipped it and I only invest money I'm comfortable with, knowing that even good businesses can suffer in bad markets. So if you found this method helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing breakdowns, and let me know in the comment what's one stock you are thinking about and how will you apply this 3-step method. Thanks for watching, happy researching and happy investing. Then remember this, money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth. Thank you.